Temperatures were hitting near 90 degrees. I had friends calling out to join them to go to Lake Cushman and cool off.
Next week or so, I'm going to try and get a review video out for, this is my favorite beer in all of Washington. Favorite beer. So, we're coming up within a week of the longest day of the year, and what's that mean? Summertime. And it's been a little bit warmer than average up here in Washington. And so, a couple of friends and myself decided to go swimming, and I got some GoPro footage while I was at it, swimming underwater and whatnot. Let's jump right in.
Back in 1926, a dam became operational, creating a 4,000-acre reservoir known as Lake Cushman. Now, right off the bat, I would not recommend just anyone to just jump right into this lake. This water does have some bite to it, and can compromise one's ability to swim if one hasn't adjusted to the water's temperature. Lake Cushman is tucked away in the southeastern end of the Olympic Peninsula in Washington State, right by Hoodsport. You can actually access the southern part of the Olympic National Park on the northern end of the lake. More and more each year, this lake is becoming popular as a destination to cool off during hot days such as today. My friends Ryan and Adam were introducing me to this particular island that they enjoy swimming to. This actually would have been an all-day thing, but unfortunately work had called up for one of them and they were needed later that afternoon, giving us only about an hour to swim. I was actually almost going to jump off right here, but then started thinking about my goggles doing the uncomfortable thing of flipping up over my eyes. Now, because this is a reservoir, changing water levels will shift the way how open some areas of rock will appear. Entertaining myself a little bit and kicking up some dust from the bottom. It was time we started getting back to the mainland. It really does feel like a hell of a quest to swim all the way back. have to come back another day when I have time to swim down even deeper into the lake, and even maybe bring my drone out to get some aerial footage of the area.
Yeah, awesome lake. First time I actually gone real swimming in maybe a year or two. It can be a very busy lake during the weekends as the summer months come around, as several people are becoming aware of this lake known as Lake Cushman, over by Hoodsport, Washington, which is a small town in the Hood Canal over on the Olympic Peninsula. My personal preference, I would probably go there on a Tuesday or Wednesday, less busy. During the weekend, it's gonna be nothing but full roads of cars parked on the side of the forest routes. But it's a great place to jump into and cool off on a hot day, and getting that suntan going. Over at a lake, what's your favorite thing to do? Mine, going underwater, swimming around. I will usually try to bring a GoPro with me every time I'm going swimming underwater somewhere. And while I'm swimming underwater, I usually try to bring a GoPro with me. That way I could show everyone what I'm looking at. Over at Lake Cushman, the most you're going to see is rocks and stumps because that is a reservoir. It used to be sort of valley. All right, we'll see you later.